What is up YouTube, and welcome to another video. Sorry it has been a while. I've been busy over on the HO Sports YouTube channel vlogging every single event that I've been to this season, so if you're interested, go check that out. But it has been a while since I've done a technique video, so I thought we need to get back into the groove and get one out there for you guys. And I was driving today and a thought popped into my head, and we're going back almost 10 years ago now, back to one of my coaches, Will Morrison, gave me one of the best tips that really kind of changed my slalom skiing for me in that season, and it really helped me get over an injury that I'd been struggling with for about 3 months. And it's an injury that every single slalom skier always struggles with. It's those ribs, kind of upper back and shoulder blade area. And the tip was super simple, and essentially all it was, especially out of my onside, was to think about puffing my chest up to the sky. So just this simple movement going from this position to just puffing my chest up. Same thing out of the offside. So for me as a righty, just thinking about puffing my chest up. And what you will notice is, even though it's just a small simple set of words, this phrase, puffing your chest out, takes my body from here, so having a little bit of a concave to my chest, puffing that chest out takes the pull through my shoulders and brings it all the way down my body into the rope. Whereas if I'm dipped here, dished, got that concave in my chest, it forces my hips to drop back. And this is even more important in the onside lean. So if my chest is just slightly bent here, so it's slightly concaved, what you'll see is all of a sudden my hips go from here, nice and close to that handle, nice and efficient pull through my shoulders, coming in through my hips and out of the handle, goes to here. And only a small set of words, again, pushing that chest up to the sky, has really changed the load that is now going through my lats and the muscle that keeps our hips connected to that handle. And I'll always remember seeing a photo the next year of my position out of my 2-4 had completely changed, and this had correlated with the time that I went from getting stuck at running 12 or 35 off to running 38, and this kind of changed in one off season. And it was pretty much this one tip that stopped those back issues and let me set into a much stronger position. And a good way for me to show you this is to look at these two pictures here. My position's not that bad in them, you wouldn't see them and it wouldn't scream at you, but I want you to see the slight gap in between the handle and the hip, the slight movement back of the hips away from the handle. Obviously one of them is a little older than the other, but there's only about 3 seasons in between that older picture of me there than this picture here. You'll see that I'm way more stacked, and obviously this is only a freeze frame of one slalom set, but this was a consistent trend in my slalom skiing, and my position got so much stronger that I gained almost 2 passes. So as well as my transformation photos, I want to also show some pictures of some pros right now and the positions that they're in at the Swiss Pro. Obviously every single photo is a boat cam, but notice how every single person from pretty much the same point at the wake has that chest proud of their arms. They're making sure that pull is coming through our chest and our hips and connecting all the way down that handle. And obviously this one tip isn't going to help everyone, and I do want to preface this with making sure that you are not just puffing your chest, so this is out of our offside, puffing our chest and leaning away like this. Obviously this position is not attainable. We have no balance and we have no smoothness or control in this position. It has to come with a sense of, okay, I'm going to finish this turn, that rope's going to start tightening on me, and instead of just letting ourselves slacken to here, we're keeping that chest proud and we're keeping strong with our direction and our rotation. Same thing this side. It's not puffing the chest up and leaning those shoulders too far away. We have no control, we have no lightness. Check out my other videos to see why that's important. But if we come through that finish of the turn, take the pull, and we keep this chest strong and locked in, it's going to take so much pressure off those lats and hips, and you're going to be in a way more efficient position. So I really hope this one tip helped. It really helped me, and thank you so much to Will Morrison on that day for really kind of helping me get over those back issues. I remember being so excited that I could take a lean without causing so much pain to go through those ribs. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping to get into a little bit more of a rhythm with these videos, just trying to think of some ideas and really think of an idea that will be meaningful and will be able to help you guys. So please hit that like button if you like what you see in the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next one.